there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating a dip pen and ink with watercolor painting of Matthias Church in Budapest, one of the most iconic and ornate landmarks in Hungary. I begin with a quick pencil sketch, using it to place the main structures and define perspective that will support the ink drawing later. After I'm satisfied with the placement, I start in ink, slowly establishing the larger shapes before refining the details. Matthias Church, officially known as the Church of Our Lady, dates back to the 13th century and is one of the most important examples of Hungarian Gothic architecture. What makes it truly unique is its Zsolnay ceramic tile roof added during a 19th century restoration, which gives the church its instantly recognizable geometric patterns and vibrant colors. Over the centuries, the church has hosted royal coronations, survived Ottoman occupation, and been rebuilt many times, resulting in a fascinating blend of medieval, neo-Gothic, and decorative architectural styles. And once the ink is completely dry, I moved on to watercolor. I focus on suggesting light, texture, and atmosphere rather than filling in every detail. This balance between precision and looseness is what I enjoy most about architectural ink and watercolor painting. And here's the final result. If you enjoy urban sketching, architectural watercolor, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future art adventures. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.